I have somebody on YouTube, and they asked the question is that I have a social media marketing agency. Can I set it up as an NFT? And so let me just answer that question real quick and say that, hey, you can, like, for example, is that you can create an NFT collection. And what you can do is you can attach to that some sort of utility that comes from it. Like maybe you'll go to somebody, a business, and you'll say, if you acquire this NFT, then you can have our services. Or maybe you could even market the NFTs as services which you sell to people, and then they can use to collect as well as have access to your services. Now, another really interesting aspect that I wanted to bring up about utility NFTs and the way that we're using them is that let's say that you use this utility NFT for a year or two, or I hope you keep it forever and you retain the value of it as the value of cryptocurrency goes up. But in addition to that, you can sell it. It has liquidity. You can trade it. So not only can you trade the NFT itself for value, you can actually trade the NFT to somebody else. Now, if you had access to my live broadcast that we do because you had an NFT, you actually could sell it to somebody and you could retain the value, the dollar value of that NFT, and then somebody else gets the utility. All right. So you make money off of it because you used it in our business and you got our products and services, and then you sold it and somebody else can use the products and services, but you will get the money. And so it's just really, I think it's really a creative way. Now you ask again, well, why are you doing this? What are you doing? Well, I'll tell you what I'm doing is that I'm not only trying to incorporate this into our business, all right, is to something, a way to grow our business, but I'm also trying to help people, just like the person that asked the last question, is that how can you consider incorporating blockchain and different aspects of it into your own business? And we're trying to learn. We're passionate about helping people. That's really what I do. I'm passionate about helping people. I turn that into a business. I help people by doing consulting. I help people implement projects. And now we're helping people through education, learning, and training. And we're drawing you into this world of blockchain by offering easy steps to get in. You could buy an NFT. You could move in and you could now get access to all the live broadcasts that we've done and the training and the education and the videos, all while you're learning how to incorporate that into your own business. Now, those of you that are experts on this, I don't want to insult you. I know there's people that know all about this stuff, but based on the statistics, Gabe, what's the percentage of people in the US that own cryptocurrency again?
We said less than 15?
That's like 19%, I think is what it is. It's like 19%, okay? And I know some of you are other places in the world, but in the US, less than 20% of the people in the world own cryptocurrency. So I can only assume that probably, 80% of the people that have been following our broadcasts don't have a full appreciation for blockchain, especially blockchain and aviation. And we're trying to change that. We're trying to help people to do that. And one way that we can do that is just by offering small steps for people to be able to jump on and look at it and really be part of it.